is what happens when you put household dish soap into a dishwasher. It doesn't like it. I'm just going to get a bucket now because it's making a real mess. Let's have a look inside. Oh shit. It's made a bit of a mess. There's foaming soap all over the damn place now. Hope I don't burn the place down. So anyway, I'm just gonna let it finish, and hopefully it rinses itself out and gets rid of the foam. In fact, I'm gonna advance it here so it doesn't keep foaming. I'll just empty that out of there. It's probably gonna blow foam out of the pipe. As you can see, it's not watery, it's foam. This is really not a smart idea. So, yeah. Try real dish detergent for a dishwasher next time.